Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. For this afternoon, I will be cooking a bulalo. Uh, Bulalo is just a Filipino dish. Okay, the component of this one is actually a beef shank with the bone marrow. So as of now, I am trying to soften this beef shank here with the bone marrow. Okay, I will try to make this one as tender as possible. Okay, and if it's tender already, okay, I will try to, if it's tender, I will try to put a fish sauce here, maybe 2 tablespoons, just to make the taste good. Okay? And as soon as the beef shank and bone marrow is cooked, I will place on top of it will be a cabbage and some bochoy, plus some slices of a chayote as a topping. So for now, this is far from over because the beef chunk is not yet cooked. So what do we do with this one? These things here, we will try to remove it. Okay. We'll try to remove it. It's not a dirt thing, but what comes out as a thick one, we should remove it. Okay. So we'll try to make the, what you call this, soap of this one as clear as possible. Okay. So right now I am removing the top portion, the one that bubbles. Okay. We are just using a slow fire here because we don't trust this one cooking it, you know. It will take time to soften this one. Okay. It will take time to be softened. So I'm removing the one that bubbles on top. As you can see it, the fire is just a slow fire, yeah, right? So again, I will try to cover this one, and as soon as this one is tender, okay, I will add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, okay, for the proper tasting of the soup. And after that, I will be placing on top the toppings, which comprises of a bok choy and cabbage plus some chayote. Okay, so for now, I will be ending this video now because I want to soften this one. But as soon as this beef shank and bone marrow is softened, okay, I will show you how I will add the toppings plus the fish sauce. Okay, again, I will try to remove these things here. Okay. So for now, I will be closing this one because I would like this one to be softened. Okay. Good afternoon from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes softening a, what you call this, a bulalo, which comprises of a beef shank and a bone marrow. Okay. Good afternoon from Los Angeles. This is a bulalo recipe. Good afternoon.